once again.
Welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Naby Patons. If you had not subscribed, kindly go and subscribe. Yes, so today I decided to bring you a friend who is from Smylez Snacks shop. Yes, and he's going to teach you how and going to teach us how. For those who have been asking, how do you make crisps? Kindly, Naby, teach us how to make crisps. So today I've brought you someone, the perfect person to teach you on how to make crisps. So follow. Mkipenda, comment, mkipenda, share, do that. Welcome.
Hi everyone, thanks Naby for this opportunity. My name is Tilas. I'm an entrepreneur from Smylez Snacks shop. We sell snacks, variety of them, but today I'm going to take you through on how to make crisps, crunchy as they call them crisps, but we normally call them crisps. Now here we have the items that I'm going to use to make the crisps. Number one, I'm having the potatoes. Without potatoes, there is no crisps. Then I'm having the peeler of peeling the maganda. Then I'm having this, the slicer of which I'm going to use to make the crisps. And now the oil, cooking oil. I'm going to deep fry. And the spoon, which I'm going to scoop and use it to mix and remove them from the cooking oil. Started by peeling the potatoes. I have to remove all accessories. Swag kando sasa, we get into serious business. And then I fold the sleeves of the shirt. Then hygiene first. I wash my hands. Then we go to peeling the potatoes. Peeling is very easy. You just go like that. There is no school for teaching you how to peel. Now, like, to make sure there is not a single spot that has remained, because it will make the crisps not look crunchy, and they will not be appealing to the customers. They will see the crisps are dirty. And as I have said, I'm an entrepreneur. I own a shop by the name Smylez Snack Shop, where we sell variety of snacks, crisps being one of them. We have numbers, we have blended juice, we have biscuit, smokies and boiled eggs. Also chips. You are welcome to visit us. It's located at Kayole, Quadio Stage, behind a school known as New Light Primary School. You are very much welcome to visit us, to pay us a visit, and you buy any snack of your choice. Very delicious, very crunchy. Yeah. And big potatoes, when you go to the market to buy, always choose the big potatoes, because they make the crisps become big and not to break. As you know, as we are deep frying the crisps, they shrink. So when you opt for the small potatoes, they will crack and break, and hizo haziitwi crisps, zinaitangwa vunjika, and they won't be appealing to the customer. They will go to another place. So in order to win the competition, because crisps has joined the market and there is high competition, opt for big potatoes so that they can bring out crunchy crisps and very delicious, which are appealing to the client. You see, like this one, a big potato like this one, even it won't be difficult while peeling it, but while using a small potato, peeling a small potatoes, there is a risk, high chances of cutting yourself and scratching yourself. So while using this, a bigger one, ni rahisi tu. You just go round all round like that. And you see, just a few seconds, we are done with that. Then you pick another one, you go peeling all round. As you can see, the potato is spotless. You peel like that. Hii ndio ya mwisho sasa. As I told you earlier, opting for bigger potatoes, it's a good choice because you won't hurt yourself, as we are using sharp objects peeling them. And like when using a smaller potato, before you roll it over your hand, you peel, chances of cutting yourself and scratching yourself are very high. Now we go to the next step, which is rinsing the potatoes. As you wash them, you counter check and remove any spot that has remained. As we said earlier, these spots make the crisps to appear not delicious. And in order to stand out in the market, in this market business of crisps and win the competition, your crisps must be spotless so that they may turn out golden. And people believe that golden crisps are crunchy and are sweet, unlike crisps which have appeared brown or with some black spots like chapati. They should not be like that. Okay, we are almost through. This one is okay. That one is okay. Any black spot, you remove it. Okay, now we are done. We are going to the next stage of slicing the potatoes into crisps. We are going to use this tool. It's known as crisp slicer. Sa hapa ndio kazi iko. You slice, they will appear like this. And here it's where another advantage of opting for bigger potatoes applies. Because a bigger potato ni haraka haraka tu. Assuming it's a small potato, you will cut yourself. Utaanza tu vizuri, but upon finishing, because of being tired, you will end up cutting yourself. But bigger potatoes, haina stress, ni haraka haraka tu. Just go smoothly like that, and they will appear like this. So now after removing the black spots, they are plain. Now we are on the last potato. Just go slicing. Now we are through. Now this is the next step. We are going to deep fry the crisps. Here is my cooking oil.
Medium heat?
Medium heat.
Okay.
Me, I normally sieve my oil. So that the crisps will appear golden.
Wow.
So unaona hii weather saa zingine kuna baridi. Ukiweka mafuta kwa kabati inashikana shikana. So that's why it's appearing like this. After we pour the oil, we leave it to heat for like 5 minutes on a medium temperature. Now as we are waiting for it to heat, I would like to advise my fellow youths, vijana wenzangu, don't just sit there doing nothing. Ukisema hakuna job, hakuna kazi, serikali saidia. Just find for anything that you can do that is legal and usumbwani na mtu na unaweza fanya, like selling crisps. It's just a simple thing. Kupeel the potatoes, kuziosha, kuslice, kukamua tena, then kuacha mafuta ichemke or heat, and then you deep fry them. You pack and you go and you sell. Anything useful like selling water.
You can start even with 1,000 shillings.
Yes.
Only. It's enough. Even 500 shillings. You start small by small, little by little.
Unaweza hata enda kwa your nearest market, kwa depot ya watermelon, ubai watermelon, wakukatekatie, uweke kwa ndoo, uzungushe kwa mtaa, na utakosa 200 yako urudi nayo jioni, instead of staying idle ama kufanya mambo ya wizi na kujiingiza kwa cult zenye hazifai. Our oil is through as heat. If you want to check, you just pick a piece, just pick, and then you drop it carefully. Let's drop.
Yeah.
Our oil has heat. We can add a handful of scoop. Very carefully. And then you use this to stir. As I said earlier, as we are deep frying, the crisps huwa zina shrink. So to avoid the shrinking, unaona kasa hii venye zina shrink. You choose the bigger potatoes. So as they shrink while deep frying, they won't shrink to the zivunjike tukue tudogo. They will shrink to the medium size, which will be appealing to the customer. And you,
so you a question.
Yes.
You don't put like all of them zijae.
No. Zitashikana, then zitakuwa bajia. Because you have to allow space.
Okay.
Unaona kasa hii, kuna zingine zinashikana.
So you keep on stirring.
Yeah, you keep on stirring, but gently, so as not to break them.
Our viewers, check.
And si unaona haina madoadoa. Ila zitakaa chapati. Sasa iko tu plain. So na medium heat. Ukiweka moto kidogo, the potato crisps zinanyonya mafuta.
Oh, so they become too oily.
Yeah. Na ukiweka moto mingi zinaungua before zikuwe crunchy.
Okay.
But on a medium heat zinaiva tu vizuri. Alafu mind you iko na ile maji yake. So nakumbuka ile maji tulisema.
Yeah.
Haijakauka.
Oh yeah, haijakauka.
So hiyo maji yake inafanya inaiva na inaipea kala yake.
They are not shrinking anyway.
Yes.
Is it because of the stirring or?
Okay, number 1, it's because you opted for bigger potatoes. Number 2, ni kwa sababu hiyo maji yake. Na number 3, hatujaweka mingi. Ukiweka mingi, they shrink, zinakaa zinajikunja, yani zinatafuta space. But ukiweka tu kidogo, each potato has its own space ya kuvurutia mafuta yake na kuiva kwa bila kuchanganyikiwa. Acha nitumie tu hiyo word kuchanganyikiwa for lack of a better term.
Yeah. Yani Potato zinachanganyikiwa huko ndani ya
Huko
mafuta.
ndani.
But this one hazijachanganyikiwa. Ziko sawa, ziko rada.
Okay. Pato, as you were saying earlier, to our fellow youths, they can just look for something better to do.
You can hear the crunchiness.
Yeah, and you can feel the aroma.
Yeah. Wow.
I'm even salivating.
Me too. Hey, na mimi ningeanza kuonja kwa sufuria.
Kwa sufuria.
We can see our cameraman is also salivating.
Yeah. Acha yetu wakule kwa macho.
Kula kwa macho. Cameraman, kula kwa macho. Yeah. Wow.
That's how they look. They appear.
They switch.
The golden color. And remember, our containers holes down to drain excess oil. If you don't have a container with holes, you can just use a normal container, even a normal basin, but you place serviette inside so that it can drain excess oil from the crisps. Because when they retain that oil, they will be bhajia or chips. They will no longer be crisps. We normally add salt whenever you are packing. That is because if you put salt before, they will absorb moisture and the crisps will be soft. So when you are packing, it's the time you will add salt. You just measure just a small salt. If someone wants more, he can or she can add for himself or herself. Then you mix. Make sure the salt has gone evenly to the crisps. The salt is distributed evenly. We have various other products, like I said, I do have numbers, I have biscuit, I have smokies, boiled eggs, and blended juice, cakes, biscuit, and a lot of snacks. So next time we are going to prepare another thing. Thank you, and remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up.